Number 1. 1971 Ford F250 Highboy four-wheel drive, $3,800, College Station, Texas. This 1971 Ford F250 Highboy is a rugged and highly desirable four-wheel drive classic, powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a manual transmission. Known for its elevated stance and exceptional off-road capability, the Highboy has strong collector appeal. This example runs and drives with a solid, rust-free frame and functioning four-wheel drive system. It does require carburetor work after sitting, but remains usable. Overall, it is an affordable and capable project with strong fundamentals and growing market value. Number 2. 1966 Dodge W200 Sweptline four-wheel drive, $2,600, St. Helens, Oregon. This 1966 Dodge W200 Sweptline is a unique hybrid build, combining a D100 cab with a W200 four-wheel drive chassis. Powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 and a new Process 435 manual transmission, it runs and drives well. Recent work includes a new clutch and updated wiring system, improving reliability. While the body shows rust in typical areas, the frame remains solid. These Sweptline trucks are appreciated for their distinctive styling, and this example offers a budget-friendly entry into classic four-wheel drive ownership. (1962 Ford F100 Flatbed, $4,000, Superior, Montana. This 1962 Ford F100 Flatbed is a distinctive and practical classic powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Known for durability and torque, this engine makes the truck well-suited for light-duty hauling. It runs and drives, though it requires some cosmetic and minor mechanical attention. The flatbed configuration adds utility and uniqueness. Overall, it is a solid, usable vintage truck with character and potential. Number 4. 1968 Chevrolet Cheyenne long bed, $1,850, San Antonio, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet Cheyenne long bed is an affordable project truck equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has been parked for several years but was running prior to storage. With a clean title and complete drivetrain, it offers a strong starting point for restoration. The 1967 to 1972 Chevrolet trucks are highly collectible due to their clean design and versatility, making this a low-cost entry into a desirable platform. Number 5. 1972 Chevrolet Truck, $5,000, Missoula, Montana. This 1972 Chevrolet pickup features a durable inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. It has been used regularly in the past and remains mechanically sound, though it currently needs carburetor adjustment to start reliably after sitting. The absence of rust in critical areas like rocker panels is a significant advantage. With its solid structure and proven drivetrain, it represents a dependable classic that can be easily returned to regular use. Number 6. 1981 Chevrolet C6000, $5,000, Wichita, Kansas. This 1981 Chevrolet C6000 is a medium-duty commercial truck designed for heavy hauling. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it offers substantial capability for industrial or agricultural use. The odometer reading is not reliable, but the truck appears complete and functional. These trucks are valued for their durability and simplicity, making them suitable for work applications or specialized projects. Number 7. 1991 Ford F150 Lariat 4-wheel drive, $900, Dodge Center, Minnesota. This 1991 Ford F150 Lariat is a budget-friendly 4-wheel drive pickup powered by a 5.8-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission. While it runs and includes good tires, brakes, and interior components, the truck has significant rust and a leaking fuel tank. Despite these issues, it retains value as a work truck or parts donor. The strong drivetrain and desirable Lariat trim add to its appeal at this low price point. Number 8. 1954 Ford F100, $22,000, Santa Maria, California. This 1954 Ford F100 is a classic early pickup, featuring a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering improved drivability over original configurations. It is described as a good driver rather than a show truck, making it suitable for regular use. These early 1950s Ford trucks are highly collectible for their iconic styling, and this example provides a solid base with room for further refinement. Number 9. 1979 Ford F100, $8,900, Arvada, Colorado. This 1979 Ford F100 is a reliable driver, powered by the well-known 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. With a rust-free origin from a dry climate and only surface rust present, the body remains in good condition. Recent maintenance, including fuel system updates, supports its reliability. Minor issues with gauges and parking brake are typical for its age. Overall, it is a dependable and honest classic truck. Number 10. 1952 Ford F1 Custom 4-wheel drive, $16,500, Woodlake, California. This 1952 Ford F1 custom build combines classic styling with modernized performance, featuring a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission on a later 4-wheel drive chassis. Built several decades ago with additional updates over time, it runs and drives well, though it requires minor carburetor tuning. The body remains solid, with only minor cosmetic imperfections. This type of restomod is popular for blending vintage looks with improved capability and drivability. Number 11. 1975 GMC Grand Sierra 4-wheel drive short bed, $6,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1975 GMC Grand Sierra short bed is a desirable 4-wheel drive classic, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Equipped with features like power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and tilt wheel, it offers comfort alongside capability. The truck requires engine tuning and bed repairs, but includes a parts truck, adding value. These square body trucks are highly sought after, and this example provides a solid base for restoration or customization.